Ha, hindi makita. Just a random G. Hello, good morning, happy Friday everyone. Ang sarap matulog. I still have like 2 hours to go for my shift. I promise, matutulog ako today. Kung magigising ako by 2, matutulog ulit. I need to sleep. Like, really sleep talaga. Because, good morning, guys. I'm already drained for the day. As in, like, super, super drained na. Super drained na ako. I wanna just rest, sleep, actually. Or parang feeling ko, kulang lang ako ng... Charot. Ayun, for the antok. Daan lang kayo ng daan, guys. Hindi lang kayo nag-hi. Lods, tama ba na magulang unang liligawan bago anak? 3 years na kasi kami ng mama niya. Huy! But yeah, I do believe that especially in the with the hetero couples, well, for some din sa mga, mga kagaya ko, I do believe na kailangan mo ding ligawan, not just, the family, but also the friends. Actually, kasi even if like yung relationship niyo, it's between the two of you, I think that, it's also good that you get the buy-in of the family and the friends, because you would also need their help in some ways, 'di ba? Sooner or later, parang ganun. So, hi guys, good morning. So yeah, yun. Antok yun. Di ko mabasa yung mga text, sorry, kasi naka-wait ako so di siya mo. Naalala mo pa ako, Pami? Parang hindi na. Charot. Hi, Janica. So, yeah. I haven't washed my hair for like how many days now, honestly. Honestly, di ba ako naliligo for like, 4 or 5 days already? Ay, hindi naman. 4 days, hindi pa ako naliligo. Good thing hindi nyo ako naamoy. Ganun ako katamad sometimes. Especially pag nasa bahay lang ako. I think we work for the same company. Same company or like same agency? Tama ba? Are you also with the Rocket Station? Yeah. Oh, hi. Hi, my fellow Rocketeer. Kumusta? Ano? Sabi na it's you from the video. Wait, what video? I was actually in drag noon, so imagine I'm going to be turning 1 year, and that video was actually when I started with my client last year. So, yung ni Romel. True, yeah. So, I was just, actually dun sa meet and greet, I was the youngest in terms of tenuity. So, super bago pa ako nun sa client ko. And I just graduated actually nun sa training. So, super fresh ko pa talaga as in. But, now I'm going to be turning almost 1 year in just a couple of months. So, my God, how time flies, diba? I'm turning 4 years. Oh, wow! Congratulations! Tagal mo na sa RS. Congratulations! Yeah. I'm not so sure if I can share this one though, but because wala pang final say. But I was actually invited by RS to do like a podcast thing for them also. So I'm not really sure. Sana may extra income yun. Eme. Char. Ooh, interesting. Yeah. So there's going to be like a podcast because they're like they plan to do like a podcast for like LGBTQIA plus community, and I was one of the invitees. Tama ba? Is there such a term? I think there is. Nakailang content na din sila sa akin. Mini interview lang daw. 'Di ba nga? I was shocked because it was not planned at all. I just went to the meet and greet in drag. Um, and then, all of a sudden, parang they just approached me. I was one of the few people to arrive, like early. And then, may lumapit sa akin and then sabi na kung okay lang ba daw na i-interview ako ni Romil. And then, ayun na yun. Hey guys, good morning. Mommy Burns! Nawala na si Mommy Burns. See you soon, Mommy Bernie. Hi, Miss Cynthia. Hello, good morning. Naantok ako, to be honest. But it's just a few, mga minutes, an hour and 45 minutes, I would say, before the end of my shift. It's exciting. My God. Yeah. So, since I am not super sanay ako na dati kasi, di ba, nag-end of shift na ako kanina mga 2:30. Ay, wow, ba't hindi ka pa natutulog? Saan yung client mo? Hindi ba US? Ang aga ah. Sa akin kasi yung client ko Central Time sila. So, Central Time sila. So, hindi ka na pala nasa ka na pala. Ang tawag dyan? Support. Ayun. Nasa support ka na pala. Hindi ka na pala so you're technically not a VA anymore. Support ka na pala. Nice. Ang daming meeting kanina. Yeah, this week was really hectic as in like me and my co-VAs, yung mga taga-RS din na kasama ko sa company, super bombarded kami this week. As in like, malala. I don't know. We don't know why. And a lot, ang daming changes actually sa ano sa company din. So, parang, nga nga. But that's fine. Hi, I am Ray. Hi, Ray. Good morning. Happy Friday, everyone. Last shift later, and time to unwind during the weekends. We are the ones creating the process documents of your clients. Ooh, wow. Nice. Mas malaki ba sahod? Charing. Although, I love my client kasi super chill lang. And, basta super chill lang siya. Although, may times talaga na busy, but super chill lang siya. So, and what I like about them is that they can actually adjust sa akin because as a drag performer, may mga times na nagre-request ako na, oy, kailangan kong ano mag-out or something, ganyan. So, yun. Diba? Divine. Super ano sila. Super mabait. As in. So, very fortunate ako sa client ko, in fairness. No, no, hindi naman walang major complaints. Ayan. Hindi ko sure sa salary mo, pero swerte ka na sa client. Really. True. I feel like I am very lucky to have them as a client talaga. Nakapanood na sila ng performance mo, Mi? Yes. Well, not physically because they're in the US, but they know that I do drag. So actually mas interested pa sila sa drag life ko or whatever compared to like my work talaga. Mas interested sila sa mga, I feel like yung client ko, they're like mas marites kesa sa akin, honestly. Like, pag may kinikwento ko sa kanila na ganito, mas interested sila kesa sa like, um, like, compared to like, if I talk about work. Parang ang weird. Diba? Anong oras na? Hey, wait. I should be back already. Ayun. O, diba? Hindi ako na-timing. Kaaliw, na-juggle mo pa both. Yes naman. Kasi wala naman akong regular bar. Wala akong regular bar. So, I only do shows irregularly or like pag may invites lang talaga. But this month is a little bit different. Good thing nga kasi compared to last year was really hectic din because ang daming mga invites. But this year, hindi as much gigs na lang. True. Hi, Van Day. Tama ba? Hi, Van. Yun na lang. Oh, thank you so much. Guanzon, Sammy. Thank you. Ayun. Hi, Mia. Good morning. Thank you, Van, for the rose. Ayun. In fairness, today lang siya na like, naging kalma. As in, kasi nung mga past few days, talagang non-stop. As in non-stop talaga siya. Jekoy! Kumusta? I have 2 more, pero itong isa. I'm good actually. I'm good. Say out na, uy. 7 pa man akong out. 7 pa ako, mag-out. So, yeah. I'll see you this weekend, Jekoy. Hopefully. Hopefully. I cannot wait na matanggal tong ito. Cha. Super silent, no? Ayoko kasi yung nagwo-work ako tapos may music. Kinda nadidistract ako, honestly. So, that's why I prefer it like this, super silent. Pero sometimes it's also boring. So, pag may music kasi nadidistract ako as in, honest. Like, madali akong ma-distract. So, I prefer it to be silent. Ganun na ako ka-OC kasi even like yung room dapat hindi siya as messy because if may mess siya, madidistract din ako. Weird, no? But yeah, that's me. That's how I work. Tiyan. Hi po. Just El. El Ale. I feel like it's Ale. Oh my God. Nagbe-build na siya. Ali. Ayun. Hi, Ali. Good morning. Massage natin. I learned this from my friend na you have to like massage your, especially when you're older. Oh, actually, when you're in your early, mid-30s. Yeah. Massage nyo ng ganyan yung dito na part. Because usually, dito nagsasag na talaga. Especially when you're getting older. Nagsasag na siya. So, you massage it like that. Out na tao eh. 7 pa akong out. So, para di siya as... And then, kaya maganda talaga yung mga mouth exercise. Para hindi masyadong yung dito. Para ganun pa rin siya. Diba? Dami ko na namang white hairs. Nasa genes talaga namin yung white hairs talaga, as in. But, yeah. Ooh, ang dami na nga. Pero kaka-color ko lang eh. Ganito ka bilis umaba yung hair ko talaga. As in, look. You would see there's a cut here. So, yeah, kaka-ano ko lang to, kaka-color lang namin to last month, I guess. And now, it's that long. So, bilis talaga umaba yung hair ko, as in. Buti pa yung hair ko, mabilis humaba or mahaba. Yung ang pasensya ko, hindi. Charing. Nalusaw na talaga yung yung nilagay na enzymes kasi I can move na my forehead. Dati I cannot move this one. Yung gumagalaw, eto lang. Gumaganyan lang siya. this one's like not moving, but now it's like moving na. So, kailangan ko na magpalagay ulit. Like here, and then here, and then sa lips, and then dito. Pero dito talaga, yung gusto ko talaga gawin is magpa-augmentation. Chin augmentation and, chin and jaw augmentation. Kasi yung goal natin, kamukha tayo ni Heart Evangelista. Charing. Divine. And then, can someone advise on refrigerator? What do you mean? Let's see if you have a work order. May work order ka bakla. Huwag kang OA. Kay Alex din naman to Kausap mo na si Alex. So I'm not gonna touch this. Ayan. So while it's really calm right now, I'm talking to you guys because it's been days actually na hindi ako nagla-live because ganun ka busy sa work. As in. So, but now since I have free time, di siya as busy. To keep me from sleeping, I'd rather talk to you guys, diba? So, inaanto ko din ako pag wala akong ginagawa. So, that's why I love being active because I feel like I'm more productive. Diba? Alam niyo ba, sa mindset kong ganyan, that's the reason why I hate taking baths na super, baka hiring po kayo, Ems. Wala kasi kaming referral bonus, that's why hindi din ako like strong sa pag re-recruit or whatever, but I'm not sure. You can try search for Rocket Station, guys. Yun. Actually, I learned about Rocket Station through my friend, and then I searched lang sa I feel like I searched lang sa Facebook, and then yun na yun. Dun na nag-start lahat-lahat. Yung energy ko ang baba, grabe. Kailangan ko ng vitamin C. Although nag-vitamins naman ako. But iba talaga yung yung attack sa akin ng Enervon versus like cause the one that I'm using right now or taking in right now. High Shell is different. It's the one that you buy lang sa like sa mga SNR and Landers. I feel like it's not as effective for me. But in fairness, kakagising ko lang and kaka-open TikTok, ikaw agad FYP ko. Aww, thanks Shell. Magpa-facelift kaya tayo. Hindi, uunahin natin ito. Ito, tsaka show. Tapos ipin. Break mo naman. No, it's actually my last part ng shift na. So, I'm just waiting for end of shift na lang. Hindi naman super busy. Out ko is at 7. So, yar. Hi, Louie. Hi, Jove. Kamusta kayo? as in, like, I need to sleep the entire day today so that, ayun, may email tuloy. Thank you. So, hindi ko rin siya masasagot kasi thank you lang naman sinagot. What work mo ma? I'm a VA po. Virtual assistant. Ang hirap magsalita with the braces. Dami ko ng mga mouth sores. Which is normal, sabi nga ng dentist ko. Normal daw siya na magka-mouth sores. Kasi nga, yung pag-rub ng metal sa dito sa dyan. So, very common siya. So, ayun. Pero, at least, actually, you know what, pansinin nyo guys, yung line, like in the middle, dati hindi yan ganyan. Dati, yung sa lower teeth ko, ganyan siya. Ganyan. As in, like, super, hindi siya, ang tawag siya, aligned. So, very thankful ako. I feel like I made the right decision na magpa-braces talaga, as in. Kasi yung balak ko talaga is magpa-veneers. Pero sabi ng dentist ko na, syagit ang kusog! Sorry. Ano time shift mo start morning po or depende sa client? Yung shift ko talaga is from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Yun. Ang haba. Then may na yun, may 1 hour na lunch na yun siya. Pero, good thing for my client kasi they allow me to plot my schedule. Pero yung ginagawa ko, para routine talaga siya sa akin. Every 2 hours ako. So like, start ng shift 10 and then after 2 hours, 12. That's my first break. And then at 2, that's my lunch. And then pag 5, yun yung last break ko. So, ayun. That's what I do. Like, para routine talaga siya. Although sometimes nag-a-adjust ako, especially like pag may mga meeting or medyo haba-haba yung call ko, ganun. Kasi yung sa work ko, I actually do calls, text, chat, and emails. Well, a lot of calls, texts, yun. Ano ba? Calls, text. Yun yung pinaka-common sa akin. Calls, text, and emails. Sa chat, hindi naman. Yung chat is between me and my coworkers dun sa US. Yun. Naapakas Rocket Station? Yes! I'm still with Rocket Station. I'm still happy with Rocket Station, actually. So, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy to. And hopefully, diba? Kasi magwa 1 year na ako. And, so may appraisal thingy. So, hopefully, tumaas yung sahod natin. Charing. Kasi nagkaroon na ako ng appraisal nung 6 months ko. And then another 6 months naman so after 1 year, di ba? So yun. Si Queen of Cebu Drag ba to? True. Ay, hindi naman Queen, Face of Cebu Drag. Grabe naman sa Queen. Face of, yes. Face of Cebu Drag. Ayokong kunin yung mo, ang tawag dyan? Basta, grabe yung face card yan. Never declines. Uy, grabe siya. Naka-filter lang talaga ako today. Kasi, nag-watch ka All Stars ma? Honestly, I haven't watched All Stars. Ay, hindi. Nakapanood na pala ako ng first episode yun. Pero, the other episodes, hindi pa. Gani! Kumusta? Mag-Slation Season 2 kami, ha? Ay, wow. Social. Bibigyan ako na ng budget. Thank you, Gani, for the follow. Bigyan niyo ako ng budget. Go, sasali talaga ako. Para namang tatawagan. 'Di ba? Or baka wala na silang choice kasi kukonti lang naman kami dito sa dito sa franchise ng Philippines. Bigyan niyo ng budget, true. Hello, want to go back sa Cebu? Come. Kung say niche ni mo, mag-take mo calls, ana. Niche ko is property management, so yes, I do. Well, sa job ko, kasi iba-iba kami ng job eh. Sa job ko, yes, I do phone calls. Pero hindi siya yung parang continuous na phone calls. Depende lang talaga. Like, if I need to contact a tenant, if I need to contact a vendor, or service provider, that's the time that I need to call. Ganun. Good night. Patulog pa lang. Okay. Good night. Charay. Yung energy ko, grabe. Hindi ko mag-gets talaga why. I think it's partly because of the weather, also because it's rainy season, which is cold, which is like my favorite time. I feel like I'm more relaxed when it's cold, honestly. Because like even when I go to saunas, guys, I look for, kung example, pag nagbabasa, di ba? Like, nag-shower, I still go look for the air conditioning para lumamig. Ang weird, pero nagpupunta ako ng sauna. Diba? I don't stay in the sauna like for a very long time. I stay outside actually, kung saan yung air conditioning para mas malamig siya. Ang weird, di ba? But yeah, I feel like part of it is because of the weather. Because it's like cuddle weather, parang sleep weather, ganun. So, ako, alam nyo ba, like, even if like yung room namin is naka-air conditioning, I can still sleep wearing just boxers or even not wearing anything at all. Promise. As long as like may unan lang ako dito sa may chan area, okay na ako. Goods na ako dun. Hi. Ang tagal ng time. When you're thinking about time, mas matagal siya. But if you're like busy, that's why I like to be busy kasi mas mabilis yung oras. Kasi yung ganito. Diba? Pero I don't know why. Ako din like super ang bilis kong magtrabaho na like sometimes first half of the shift parang tapos ko na agad lahat. Ano na lang, pag like may sumusupot na mga emails or calls, ganun, siguro. Pero like at the start of the shift, talagang gusto, I don't know. Ako kasi yung tipong, I hate seeing numbers on my inbox. Meaning, ayokong may nakikita akong unread na email. Pareha mong hairline ni Richard Gomez. I get that a lot. I get that a lot before na I kinda look like him. Which is a very, very good compliment because, hello, Richard Gomez. tall, dark, and handsome kaya siya, di ba, dati. So, thank you. Wala din may time tracker. For my client, wala akong time tracker. You mean like yung ano, ang tawag siyan? Um, yung minomonitor yung galaw ng mouse keme something or ng computer. Wala akong ganyan. Mag-screenshots, wala talaga. That's why pwede talaga akong matulog. Charing. Although, hindi naman dapat. But I mean, pwede siya kung gusto. Ganun. Pero don't do that. Okay, don't do that. Na all. That's why sinasabi ko nga na very lucky ako to have this client because super mabait, super understanding, and very parang sila pa yung nag-a-adjust sa akin, honestly, kasi like whenever I want or whenever I need to go on leave, okay talaga. As long as hindi mako-compromise yung trabaho ko. Ganun. So, yun. Gisingin niyo ako pag nakatulog ako. Wala talaga, like super down yung energy ko this week. Siguro lang, I'm like dismayadin kasi because daw. Kasi yung show ko this Sunday was canceled. So sad. But that's life. Sometimes you don't get what you want. Ganun. Wala na akong viewers. Okay, go. Natulog. Charing. Hi, Lundag! I'm so sleepy talaga. Like, alright, I'm gonna end the live, guys. I will see you very, very soon. Bye. I love you. Mwah.